Morning, children. I hope you all are fine and safe. Already you have completed 1 month virtual class. Now we are continuing our second month, and already I have taught one lesson, that is your GUI, and today we will start our new topic, logo. Let's start our topic.
Welcome to our new topic, logo. Logo means language of graphic oriented. Now in this lesson, you will learn about what is computer language, what is logo, about logo screen and logo primitives. One by one we will discuss everything. First we will discuss about computer language. So before I discuss about computer language, first you should know what is language. It is a medium of communication through which we convey our thoughts. In our day-to-day life, we are using different type of language. First of all, we are using our mother tongue at our home. Those who are Odia, they are using Odia. Those who are Hindi, they are using Hindi. Telugu, Tamil, so many languages are there. But when you are coming to school, you are using one common language, that is your English, because you are studying in English medium school. As you are staying in Odisha, when you are going outside the Odisha, we are using Hindi because Hindi is our national language. When you are going outside India, we are using our international language, that is your English. Like that, we are using different language depending on the situation, depending on the place. Like that, suppose you want to communicate with computer, so you should learn computer language. So what is computer language? It is a system of communication with computer. Means here you are using certain commands, certain instructions through which we can communicate with the computer. Now there are different type of computer language. More than 200 computer languages are there. Common languages are here: Basic, COBOL, Fortran, Pascal, C, C++, Java. But in this class, you will learn about the language that is known as a logo. Then what is logo? Logo stands for language of graphics oriented. It is also called language oriented and graphic oriented. Both are correct. So a language of graphic oriented means logo. It is a programming language used to create graphics or shapes. What do you mean by programming? Programming means a set of instructions you are writing to solve a specific problem, to solve a specific task. And this logo language is developed by Seymour Papert in 1967. Now, before you learn about the logo language, first you should acquainted with how to write the commands. To write the commands, you should know about the logo screen. Now, logo screen, this total screen is divided into two parts. This upper part is known as a graphics window, and this lower part is known as a commander window. Now, in a commander window, you are writing the commands. Once you press the enter key, then it will execute and draw the figures in the graphics window. The graphics part is showing in the graphics window and command part is showing in the commander window. And here you are seeing the another symbol, that is known as a turtle. Then what is turtle? A triangular shape at the center of the logo screen used to draw shapes is called turtle. So turtle is a triangular shape. It is used to draw the shapes. Now this upper part of this turtle is known as a head, and this lower part of the turtle is known as a tail. So whenever you are giving the command, either it can move in a forward direction, that is head part, otherwise it can move in a backward direction, that is from the tail part. And this total thing is known as a turtle. Then what is logo primitives? The logo commands that tells the application what to do is called logo primitives. That means in a language you are using different type of words. Here also in the logo language it uses number of words. That words are known as a commands, or you can also say it is primitives. Now in this lesson you will learn about some commands like FD, BK, RT, LT, home, and some other commands are also there. We will discuss afterwards. Now here your first command is your FD. FD means forward. It moves the turtle in forward direction and draw a line. Starting position is your center of the screen. When you are using the FD command, now suppose here I have given FD 40. FD 40 means it will move the turtle from the starting position to 40 steps in a forward direction. Forward direction, the direction of its head. Now here your syntax means rules. How to write the command. Syntax means the rule or grammatical way how to write the command. FD, then you have to give one space, then write number of steps. After that you have to press enter key. Unless until you press enter key, it will not execute the command. It will not move the turtle on the screen. So after writing each command, you must press enter key. So when you are writing FD, then space 40, after that you press the enter key, then it will move the turtle from this starting position to this position. The length of this line is 40. Now here question arises, what do you mean by 40? It is a 40 steps means what? It is 40 centimeter, 40 millimeter, 40 kilometer or 40 meter. No, here 40 means 40 pixel. Pixel means what? Points. Now here in the screen, this here one point, it count 40 points from this position to this position, it will move like this. So here unit is your pixel, means points. So FD 40 means it will move 40 points from the starting position in forward direction. Then our next command is your BK. BK means backward. It moves the turtle in backward direction and draw a line. Now starting position is here, suppose center of the screen. When you are using the BK command, it move in a backward direction means the direction of its tail. So it move 40 steps backward from its starting position and also draw a line. Here also syntax is BK, then you have to give one space, then write number of steps. BK 40, then press enter key. It move 40 steps backward from its previous position. Then next is your third command is your home. It moves the turtle to the center of the logo screen. As I told you in a graphics area, turtle always show you in the center of the screen, that is its home position or initial position of a turtle. So suppose your turtle is in this position, if I am using home command, then it will again move to its starting position. So wherever your turtle is present, once you are using home command means directly it will jump your turtle to its starting position, that is your center of the logo screen. Then next command is your LT. LT means left, or you can say left turn. It turns the turtle to its left side. That means anti-clockwise direction. Now this is the turtle. This is the starting position of the turtle. When you are using LT means it will turn like this. and turtle becomes here like this. That means it is not moving from one place to another place. Only it turns its head either to the right side or to the left side. LT means it turns the turtle to its left direction. So here you have to use LT, then units turn means how much degree you want to turn, either to left side or to the right side. Here I have given LT 90 means 90 degree it will turn to its left side. That means the turtle face this way change to this way. Now this is the head, the beginning. Now this one becomes head. It turns 90 degree to its left side. Then another command is your RT. RT means right turn. It turns the turtle to its right side. That means in clockwise direction. That means before means starting position here turtle is like this. This is the head. When you are using RT90 it will turn this right side and the turtle will look like this. Before the turtle, your turtle head is here. Now your turtle head is this way. That means you turn the turtle to its right side or clockwise direction. So you have learned about 5 primitives: FD, BK, home, LT and RT. You will write all the definition of this primitive and definition of turtle in your computer notebook. And next class I will discuss how to draw different shapes, different figures by using these primitives. Thank you.